So, to help me prepare for my retake of PTY 5014 Neurophysio, I thought I'd start with the most fundamental basic question, which is what is the brain? What is that grey, jelly like looking thing that we see in pictures? And when I did some research on it, I'm told that the grey bit is grey neuronal cell bodies. Which left me to ask, well, what are neuronal cell bodies? And the research told me that they are the bulbous part of nerve cells, none of which was particularly helpful. So I thought I'd start again at the basics and ask the question, well, what is a cell? And the response was the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms, which sounds interesting, but not particularly helpful for me. So further research said that there are different types of cells. Now this starts to become more useful. So there are epithelial cells, which provide lining or cover to the human body. So for example, skin. There can be connective cells that provide support and structure to the body, muscle cells that provide for movement, and nerves that allow for signaling to occur. But I think this was the bit that helped, was that you then have lots of similar cells grouped together to form different tissues. So, for example, if you were looking at your bicep, which is a muscle, that would be made up of lots of muscle cells. And an organ is made up of different tissues. So if we looked at the heart, an organ, it'd be made up of muscle tissue, which obviously allows the heart to beat, connective tissue to allow the heart to maintain its structure, nerve tissues to provide the impulse to actually get the heart to beat, and then blood vessel fibers, which would allow blood to come to and from the heart. Then I asked myself, well, how or why do cells form into the cells that they are, or the tissues they become? And my research said that the reason behind that is DNA. And DNA is within all of our cells, and the DNA um, tells the cell to use amino acids. An amino acid is a molecule which either will come from food or the body will build itself. The body builds 11 out of the 20 amino acids that the human body needs. The other 9 have to come from food. So the DNA tells the cells to use the amino acids to build proteins. And the proteins result in certain cells binding together, joining together like Velcro. Um, some proteins actually bond the cells together like collagen. Some proteins speed up chemical reactions, enzymes, and some proteins generate force, muscle proteins. So essentially, therefore, the brain, the grey matter, is made up of a large collection of nerve cells which are bound together like Velcro and bonded together like collagen. There we are.